everyone, I welcome you to the third video of word formation, where we are going to discuss about the types of questions that could be asked in the word formation topic and also some target questions, right. So with that, let's move on to the type 1. So initially in the first video itself, I did brief you about how the questions will be asked, but now let us take each question and see how they are going to ask and how we need to solve them, right. Next. So what's your type 1? So word formation using letters from a given word. So a word will be given and using the letters from the given word, you need to see if the words could be formed, right. So first let us read this particular question. In the following question, select the word from the given alternative which cannot be formed. So we have to be sure, right, whether it is can be or cannot be formed using the letters of the given word, okay. So what is the word that is given to us? Character, okay. So first, what is your option? Tracer. So T-R-A-C-E-R. So can tracer be formed? Yes. So we are able to form the word tracer. Next, hearty, okay. So H-E-A-R-T. But Y is missing. So can hearty be formed from the word character? No. Next, charter. C, you have C-H-A-R-T-E-R. So can charter be formed from the word character? Yes. And what's the last word? Crate. So see if crate could be formed. C-R-A-T-E. Crate. So can crate be formed? Yes. So which is your right option here? Which cannot be formed is hearty. Hence option C is your right answer, okay. So this is type 1. Now let's move on to the next type. Forming word with selected letters of given word, okay. If it is possible to make only one meaningful word from the third, the sixth, the ninth and the 10th letters of the word parenthesis, using each letter only once, last letter of the word is your answer, okay. If no such word can be formed, your answer is X. And if more than one such word can be formed, your answer is Y. So this question involves a lot of logical thinking, it involves a lot of concentration. So you have to fragment it and go step by step. So first let us take the word. So what is the word that is given? It is parenthesis. So now what you are going to do is you are going to form possible words. So which word? Third, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is T. And the ninth and the 10th letters of the word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So S and I. So what are the words that we need to take? R, T, S and I, okay. So these are the letters that we have got, okay. So R, T, S and I. So if you are able to form, so look at the conditions, okay. So if you are able to form a word, okay, if you are able to form a word from this, your last letters is your answer, okay. If you cannot form words at all, then answer Y, okay, Y is your answer, okay. And if you are able to form more than one word, okay, if you can form more than one word, what happens? Sorry, I repeat. So if you are able to form more than one word, Y is your answer. If you are not able to form a word at all, then X is your answer, okay. So now let us try forming a word from this, okay. So S-T-I-R, okay. Yes. So I am able to form a word S-T-I-R, stir, okay. Then you can also form the word S-I-T. I am also able to form the word sit, S-I-T, sit, okay. So I am able to form more than one word. So if you are able to form more than one word, what happens? Which is your answer? If you are able to form more than one such word, then Y is your answer. So hence your answer is Y, which is your option D, okay. Next, forming meaningful words using given letters. So how many meaningful English words can be formed by using letters of the word ALEP? Okay, A-L-E-P. From this, these are the letters. So we need to form words, right? So let us see. So P-E-A-L, peel, L-E-A-P, leap, okay, P-A-L-E, pale, okay. So any other words you can form, you have to examine, you have to check, okay. So you can see that P-A-L, peel, L-E-A-P, leap, P-A-L-E, pale, and also P-L-E-A, plea, okay. So you can see that there are more than 3 words that could be formed, yes. So hence your option is D. Next. So what is your fourth type? Word formation by unscrambling the letters. This is nothing but, you know, these letters are given in a jumble form. So you need to form a word with that. So rearrange the letters A, R, T, Y, D to form a meaningful word and select from the given alternatives the word which is almost opposite in meaning to the word so formed, okay. Look at this, they are asking you to rearrange this, form a meaningful word, and you need to choose the word which is the antonym of the word that we've rearranged, okay. Okay, so from the given rearranged letters, what is the word that we can form is T-A-R-D-Y. So T-A-R-D-Y is nothing but tardy. So what does the word tardy mean? Tardy means delay. Tardy means delay, okay. So now we got the word and we got the meaning of the word. So what is that they've asked us to do? You have to select from the given alternatives the word which is almost opposite in meaning to it. So what is the word that is opposite in meaning to tardy? Yes. So tardy means delay, right? So dirty, no. Quiet, no. Quick, yes. Quick, no. So quick is the opposite or the antonym of being delayed, right? So hence, which is your right option? Option C, which means quick, okay. Now let's move on to the next type. Formation of meaningful word by adding letters or words in the given words, okay. So now what we need to do is, given below are some group of letters. Which of the options can be joined at the end of these letters to make them meaningful words? So let's see. You have L-E-N, L-E-N, okay, S-A-N, W-O-R and S-E-E. So now we have to try adding a suffix with the given option. So we have the letter A, we have letter D, we have letter B, and we also have letter K. Now let us start adding these letters one by one. So if you add the letter A, just see. So L-E-N-A, S-A-N-A, W-O-R-A, S-E-E-A. It does not form any complete meaningful word. So let's try with D. Lend, sand, word, seed. Okay. So D actually worked. Okay. So you have 4 words, meaningful words. Let's try with the others also. B. Limb, sam, verb, seed. No, it does not form any meaningful words. Next K. Length, sank, work, seek. So sank is there, work is there, seek is there, but there is no word with K, length. So hence, which is your right option? Option D, because it gave you 4 meaningful words: lend, sand, word and seed. Okay. So with that, let's move on to the next type. So what's your next type? So fill in the blank using the right formation of the word provided. So you have to see, a word is there with 4 different forms. So you have to see which form will fit into this particular sentence, right? I don't like sport because I am not a very dash person. Okay. So a noun is there, right? So you have to, whenever noun is there, mostly it will be an adjective, right? So it cannot be competition, compete, okay. So competitive, competitor. So hence I don't like sport because I am not a very competitive person. So this is where we are applying the tips and the tricks that we had discussed in the video 1 and video 2. Yes. Now Let's move on to the target questions. Here we are going to solve few questions to see how well we've understood the topic and how well we are able to apply whatever we learned from the two videos. Yes. So, select the word which cannot be formed using the letters of the given word. So, segregation. So, can you form eager? E-A-G-E-R. Yes. So, you are able to form the word eager. Segregation. So, you can form the word eager. S-E-A. So, E is also possible. G-A-T-E. Gate is also possible. Nation. Okay. So, you have only one N. So, one N is missing. Hence, what happens? Nation cannot be formed from the word segregation, right? So, your option D is your right answer. So, option D is your right answer. Yes. Now, let's move on to the next question. Select the word which can be formed using the letters of the given word. Somnambulism. Somnambulism. Okay. So, which can be formed? So, see if names can be formed. N, A, M. E is missing. So, this cannot be formed. Basalt. B, A, S. Again another A is missing. So, this cannot be formed. S-O-U-L. It can be formed. B-I-O-M. Okay. E is not there. So, biome cannot be formed. Yes. So, which is your right option? Option C. Soul is the word that can be formed from the word somnambulism. Next, select the word which cannot be formed using the letters of the given word. So, what is the word that has been given here is impracticable. So, let's see, capable. Can you form the word capable? C-A-P, okay, A-B-L-E, yes, capable is possible. Practical, yes, so practical is again possible. Particle, P-A-R, okay, T-I-C-L-E, practical is again possible. So, what about peace? P-E-A, C, another E, because only you can use the letter only once. So, hence peace is not possible. So, which is your right option from here? Option D, peace is your right answer. So, we need to be very sure if they are asking for cannot or can in the particular question, right? Next, so select the word which cannot be formed using the letters of the given word. Rejuvenation. So, rejuvenation means to feel refreshed, right? So, rejuvenation. So, can the word jute be formed? J-U-T-E, yes. Can the word nation be formed? Yes, N-A-T-I-O-N. Revision, R-E-V-I, where is S? S is not there. So, S cannot be formed. Then what about native? N-A-T-I-V-E, native is also possible. So, hence which is your right option here? Your right option is revision, which is your answer. Next, so which single letter can be prefixed to the following words to form entirely new words? Okay, so this is similar to the question that we saw. Okay, so till, table, pile, tab, and you have pring. So, you have to fix a word. So, prefixes you have to fix it before, and you have to see that it forms a meaningful word. So, H. So, H till, H table, this itself tells us that the word cannot be formed with H. What about S? Still, stable, spile, stab, spring. Yes. So, with S it gives us all meaningful words, right. So, S is possible. What about B? Beetle, B-table, B-pile, B-tab, brim? No. There is no words with B. So, what about C? C-till, C-table, C-pile, C-tab? No. This is also not possible. So, hence which is your right option? Option B, S, which gives us still, stable, spile, stab and spring, right? So your option B is your right answer over here. Yes? What's the next question? Okay, now select the word which cannot be formed using the letters of the given word. What is the word that is given to us? Universalization. So let's see if the words that are given from the options, we need to check if we can form the words or not, right? So nation, can it be formed? N-A-T-I-O-N, yes. What about curtain? Is there any C here? No. What about liver? L-I-V-E-R, yes. What about aviation? A-V-I-A-T-I-O-N, aviation. So which is your right option? Option B is your right answer, because the word curtain cannot be formed using the word universalization. Now, the teacher keeps a record of every student's attend is a word given. So what is it? So we know that it is attendance. It's not attendance or attending or attendant. It is attendance. Next. Unscramble the words in the option and find the odd one out. So we need to first unscramble and then we need to find out which is the odd one over there. So UPJM, right? So it is jump. This is walk. This is sleep. This is run. So now we've unscrambled these words. So from this we have to find out the odd one. So jump, walk, run are almost the same. So sleep is the word which is the odd man here. So hence which is your right option? Your right option is option C. Okay. So these are the various ways by which we will be asked questions. Okay. Next. So unscramble the word in the question and find the option most similar in meaning. Like we saw about the antonym, here we are going to see about the synonym. Okay. So now what is the word that is given? C-I-T-G-N-D-L-E-I. Okay. So from this you have to see which is the word that is possible. So maybe it is diligent. So now we have rearranged these letters to find out that the word is diligent. So what is diligent? Yes, diligent means to work hard. Okay. So that is the meaning. So now we have to check out which is most similar to this word, right? So intelligent, difficult, laborious and quick. Yes. So from the options that are given, we get to know that laborious is the right option for the word diligent. Next, if it's possible to make a meaningful word from 2nd, 5th, 6th and 7th letters of the word generosity. So let's take the word generosity. So from that, which words, letters they are asking us to take? 2nd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, R and 6th and 7th. So E-R-O-S. Okay. So we've chosen that letters in specific. Then which will be the first letter of that word? Mark X if no such word can be formed. M if more than one word can be formed. Okay. So now let's see what are the words that could be formed from here. Okay. So R-O-S-E, rose, S-O-R-E, soar. Okay. So what else you can create from here. Okay. So if only one word can be formed, they are telling that the first letter of that word is going to be your option. If more than one word can be formed, you have to choose M. If you cannot form words at all, then you have to choose X. So we can form words. So this is not possible, right? So more than one word we have formed. So M is possible. So R, S and O. So we are not going to choose R, S and O because we are able to form more than one word. Okay. So hence which is your right option? Option D is your right answer. Okay. So I believe that this video on word formation has helped you understand the topic well, and it will also help you prepare really well towards your verbal ability test whenever it is considered in your competitive exams or your entrance exams, right? So I wish you all the best and thank you for watching this video.